Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. But before solving the question, it is requested to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel to get the latest update and most difficult question in my YouTube channel. So today we are having a question that is, if three numbers are in the ratio that is 3:2:5, be such that the sum of their squares is equal to 1368. What is the middle number? So here we have to find out the middle number, and for this we take the first thing. Let the three number be that is 3x, 2x and 5x. So here we have just taken the three numbers which have been given in the question, that are 3, 2 and 5, and we have just taken x to all these numbers. In the question it says that the sum of their square is equal to 1368. So what will be this square? So here we take out this square. So this is the square of the number plus, and this plus represents the sum of the three number here. So further, that is 2x square. So here we are taking the square, the sum of the square of the numbers. So 5x square is equal to, so this becomes that is 1368. So we have just taken the sum and as well as the square of the number. So further solving, this becomes that is 9x square plus 4x square plus 25x square is equal to 1368. So this becomes that is 9 plus 4 plus 25 becomes 38x square. And further, this becomes that is x square is equal to 1368 upon 38. So this 38 goes downward and it divides. So this becomes that is 38 ones are and 38 36 are, that is 1368. And now we have got the value for x square, that is 36. So in here x square is equal to 36. For this we take the square of both sides. So here taking square on both sides. So here we take this square. So this becomes that is x square is equal to 36 square. So both side square has been taken. So therefore, so this becomes that is this square and 2 cancels out, and this becomes that is x is equal to, and the square root of 36, that is 6. So now we have just got the value of x. And further in the question it says that what is the middle number? So here we are having the middle number, that is 2x. So therefore the middle number is so here the middle number we are having, that is 2x, and this becomes that is 2 multiplied by the value of x we are having, that is 6. So we have just put the value of x, and this becomes that is 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12, and this is the middle number, and this is as well as our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question and the method. So thank you very much.